Mindfulness is a huge buzzword in the world of coaching these days. But did you know that there is also mindful eating? William Burroughs said, "Your mind will answer most questions if you learn to relax and wait for the answer." It works while you're eating, too. It's Judy at the CardioWellness Group. Let's expand mindfulness from the brain into the body. When it comes to food, many have become creatures of habit. There are a multitude of distractions, and the act of eating has become secondary. The television is on, or a smart device is in one hand, and food is quickly consumed without taking a break. Maybe it's going through the drive-thru and eating while driving, or dropping the kids off at practice. Whatever the reasons for mindless eating, there could be a price to pay. It takes about 20 minutes for our brain to realize that we are even full. So, when you eat too fast, you could overeat, which may lead to weight gain and increased stress and create indigestion. Stress can also increase with the types of food we choose and being in a state of constant movement. When we practice mindful eating, there are tons of benefits, both physically, mentally, and with making better connections. There's greater appreciation for the food we eat, and it may even improve mood and gratitude. Here are a few smart choices for creating a mindful eating practice. Choose the right environment. Don't allow distractions. The kitchen table is just not a place to place keys and paper. Even when eating in the car, stop driving and park it. It's not only safer, it's less stressful. Slow down. Take 25 to 30 chews per mouthful. And take breaks. Put down your fork between bites. By eating slower, the digestive process will be improved. You will have time to think and reflect. Ask yourself questions such as, is this food the best choice for my health? And what can I add to my plate that will give me the energy I need to get things done today? Appreciate the taste, texture, and preparation. I recently heard of a woman who eats with a tiny fork. It takes her an hour to eat, and she enjoys every bite. Put correct portions on your plate. There should be spaces between the food. Just because it's your favorite doesn't mean that you take twice as much as you need. By planning your consumption ahead of time, you will maintain or lose weight. If eating out at a sit-down restaurant, ask for a takeout box at the beginning of the meal. Many of the portions we receive are twice what we would normally eat. My mother always told me that I had to finish all the food on my plate. Find someone to eat with. Having conversations during a meal will naturally slow down each of you, and better emotional connections will be created. If there is no one with you, create a virtual meal with a video call with someone special. By starting the practice of mindful eating, you may feel better, look better, and become a better friend. If you have any questions about mindful eating or heart and gut healthy recipes to create, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and connect with me at 800-957-8946 or Judy at CardioWellnessGroup.com. Because today is the perfect day to take care of your health.